Hello everybody, this is Bill the Adjuster with your latest smart claim tip. And why is my insurance estimate so hard to read? It's not hard to read, it's impossible. Taking a look at just what's on the screen right now, you'll see what an average insurance claim estimate looks like. It's got a lot of reasoning behind it, but it's certainly difficult for the consumer to read. Probably 25 years ago, give or take a little bit, the insurance industry decided to switch from what we call time and material estimates. Take the painter 2 days and $100 worth of paint, therefore you'd have an estimate, to what they call unit price estimates, where they've broken down everything into its smallest component and they build the estimate from there. It's beneficial sometimes, and it actually hurts a little bit other times. The larger the job, the more beneficial. The smaller the job, the more it can actually affect you. So taking a look how the estimates actually break it down. They break every item down into either its square foot component. Like an item like carpeting or hardwood flooring might be broken down to how many square feet of that item. Roofing is a square foot item. Siding is by the square foot. And certain things like trim or molding, linear things are done in linear feet. They have specific items like light fixtures and smoke alarms that are 1 each or 2 each. And then they have things that are calculated in yards or cubic yards, like concrete or liquid pours. Even when we deal with bulk materials like sand and debris, liquids are used as well. We then put these estimates together in a full diagram that you've seen, kind of like on the image up here and the prior image. And it builds the walls and builds the rooms and then subtracts the openings so that all of these applications of linear foot, square foot, each, cubic, regular yardage are all calculated almost exactly. So once all the components are put together and all the estimate is written, you have what's known as a unit price estimate. It's relatively accurate to what needs to be done. Unfortunately, the pricing may be wrong. Take an example of if drywall paid $2.50 a square foot, it's really hard to get someone to come out and do a drywall repair for $2.50 for a small loss. So they have what's called labor and trade minimums. Again, it's so confusing, it's so difficult that the average consumer looks at it and says, I can't understand this. We get this call every day from contractors and consumers alike. So if you do need help, seek out a professional to review your estimate to make sure it is appropriate. Again, they are difficult to read with multiples, calculators. They have removal and replacement line items with depreciation factored in. Can be a real challenge, but I can tell you right now, overall, it's a good way to estimate, but it's a very difficult learning curve to learn how to understand them. Hopefully I helped you understand why they're so confusing. I don't think they're going to get any less confusing, but that's why they are. This is Bill the Adjuster with your smart claim tip. I hope you enjoyed a little explanation of why things are so confusing in our industry. Hopefully you enjoyed what's on our call today. We would love to answer your specific question. You can email me directly at smartclaim@metropa.com, or whoever shared this video with you and asked you to watch it, you're welcome to reach out to them. I can answer a question or a call anytime, 24 hours a day. Just shoot over that email. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, Bill the Adjuster, and have a great day.